Hi, this video is for Walter Smith, London. It's Mark, FMAV. I've got your beosound 9000. Right, I've installed one of the lasers that I've already done for you and sent to you. And I've installed it, and your machine is working absolutely perfect. No faults, so if you watch, let me just turn the volume up. Right, it's playing on track 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number 5. So I'm going to go up to 1. So I pushed 1. So it's going to go up to CD 1. Right, so that's working there. So I'm going to go up through the CDs, the tracks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, so I'm going to go back to number 5. Right, so it's going to click on number 5. Okay, so just give it a second to, because it's a slow song, I'll just turn it up. You can hear that? Right, I'll just go up a couple of tracks now, because it's quite a... Well, I'm going to go up to track 2. Yeah. Right, so you can hear that working, and that's all working as it should be working. Okay, I'll show you it's your system, just in case you don't believe me. There's your serial number and your item number, type number, sorry. So it's all working. Now, take note that the person you used to send this down, Anton, he actually owes me £80 and a load of mechs. So I will not be doing any more repairs for you with the use of his account in any way until I get what's owed to me from him, plus what you owe me on this at the moment now is 70, plus the £10 that you owed me last time. So you actually owe me £80 yourself, and Anton owes me about £80 plus a load of mechs that he's not paid for. So as soon as you pay me up for this, you can pick this up, and I won't be doing any more. I'll be sending them 2 mechs back with you. So all good. Thank you very much.